could ask everybody who is at the front of the boat to come forward into the salon to collect their lunch. That's
Happening now.
at the front of the boat to come forward
Georgios boat is
into the salon to collect
We're
your
at
lunch.
Blue
We
Lagoon.
operate a one-way system, so you come into
Stop
the
for
salon
a swim
from the
stop.
front,
Everyone's been out
come
swimming,
through, get your lunch,
and
and then exit
time for
through
lunch.
to the back. Thank you, folks.
so let's see what's for lunch. Wow, wow, that looks good. Barbecue chicken, chips, hand-cut chips, hand-cut chips. Nice fresh cut salad left, and rice, and that's lunch. And I'm looking forward to it. I'm Hank Marvin, as we say in London. Hank Marvin. And it's lunchtime. We're aboard Georgios boat. Everyone's been in for a swim. We had our first swim stop here today, and the patience for lunchtime. And it's time to get served.
Enjoy your lunch.
The boys are working hard there, as you can see.
Everything, my friend?
Oh, focus. Yeah, just help yourself. I'll open the bread up for you.
Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Lovely, lovely. And we're aboard Georgios boat, and we're parked at Blue Lagoon, the beautiful Blue Lagoon. Look at the colour of that sea, and all the boats are here, and that lunch looks good. And I'll catch you later, guys.